In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename files without breaking links in Obsidian so you can reorganize your entire vault with total confidence. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian and opening the vault that contains the note you want to rename. Once you're in, head over to the File Explorer panel and locate that specific note. Before you change anything, open the note and take a quick look at how it connects to the rest of your vault. Confirm that other notes are linking to it. This simple review will give you peace of mind before the rename. Now, let's make sure Obsidian's automatic link update feature is active. Click on Settings, then navigate to Files and Links. Find the setting labeled Automatically Update Internal Links and verify that it's turned on. This is the key to renaming without breaking anything, so take a second here to double-check it's enabled. Once that's confirmed, close the Settings panel and return to the File Explorer. Right-click on the note you want to rename, and from the context menu, select Rename. The file name will become editable. Type in your new title. Choose something descriptive and meaningful that fits your vault's naming structure. Then, press Enter to confirm. Allow Obsidian a moment to process the change, and you'll see the note display its new name in the File Explorer. Now the real test begins. Navigate to another note that previously linked to the renamed file and locate the internal link. You'll see that it has automatically updated to show the new note name with no manual editing required. Go ahead and click that link. It should open the renamed note perfectly. Then open the backlinks pane to confirm that all incoming links still function as expected. You can also rename notes directly from the tab itself by using the note menu or title area, which is handy when you're already deep into editing. When you're reorganizing larger sections of your vault, rename notes one at a time and verify links after each major change. The goal is to rename notes to match your projects, topics, or naming conventions, improving overall vault consistency. Finally, search for your most important linked notes and confirm all connections remain intact. By using Obsidian's rename feature every time you change a title, you'll keep internal links accurate while reorganizing and improving your vault structure. Thanks for watching and happy linking.